Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, guys. We're in Columbus, Georgia right now for the rally. I just pulled up. You know, it's supposed to be rain all weekend, but I was like, yo, come out here and get some content for you guys. But yeah, I just pulled up. It started raining as soon as I got it, like, pulled in the parking lot, man. But we're here. We are here.
This one's $489. That one actually has a higher payload than the GTL does.
Yeah. Hey, boss man.
How are you, man?
How you doing? How you doing?
Good, good.
What you got for me?
Recluse clutches.
Best clutch in the business?
Best clutch in the business. Nicest upgrade you can make to your motorcycle.
You don't have to pull in the clutch, right?
We have a semi-automatic centrifugal clutch.
Okay.
So it allows you to start and stop without having to pull the lever in.
That's the one I was looking into myself.
You want to see it work?
Sure.
I got one right here. Let me show you. We'll make a nice little video here.
Yes, sir.
So the nice thing is, with our centrifugal clutches, you do not modify the motorcycle. So the motorcycle still functions just like your bike does today that you rode. So you still pull the lever in, you'll put it in gear. You can take off however you want to take off. But what you can do once you install this product, you can sit here in first gear. So when you're in heavy traffic or in a rally type situation where you're worried about stalling the motorcycle, having to hold that lever in, you can let the clutch out, and when it's time to go, you go ahead and go.
That's nice. That's nice.
The motorcycle still functions. You still shift the transmission. You still pull the clutch lever in. But just in those low speed situations, it's much easier where you can just put it in gear. Go ahead and ride off. So you're not wearing your hand out and getting tired sitting in traffic. Yeah, that's the magic right there.
I love it.
That's what it does.
I was looking at it seriously for my bike.
What kind of bike have you got?
I got a road glide.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's a nice upgrade.
I go to a lot of rallies.
Yep.
And man, that pulling the
So another feature that's nice, like I said, it doesn't take anything away from riding the motorcycle.
Right.
Because you still shift the train, you still ride it once you get out on the road, you ride it like normal.
Right.
So we don't change the motorcycle. The nicest thing is you put an auto clutch in your road glide and your buddy comes over and takes your bike for a spin. It works so well, he would never know that it had an auto clutch in it until you told him. Okay. So it doesn't change the motorcycle at all. You just add a nice feature to it.
Okay.
Yep.
What's the price on that?
$1,049 for the clutch setup, and it's roughly usually about a 2-hour install at your dealer or whoever, if you were going to install it or if your dealership was going to install it. So it's not a very complicated install. It just takes a little bit of time. We give you full instructions, so it's a nice addition.
What's the warranty?
1 year warranty.
1 year warranty.
Yep.
Okay. Perfect, man. Perfect. Hey guys, if you're interested, Recluse, I'm definitely looking at it for my bike.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
Grab one of our flyers here. 100% made in USA, right in Boise, Idaho. All our contact information is on the back.
That's even better. Yes, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you stopping.
Yes, sir. doing?
No, man.
Oh,
How you doing, boss?
good. You?
Pretty good, man. Great. Besides the rain.
Yeah.
How you doing, boss?
How's it going?
Got some of the best barbecue in town.
We're trying. We're trying. They'll let us know here shortly.
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Glad y'all were here.
I try to catch all the events I can. I'm from Georgia, so I definitely try to go to all the West Coast.
What part of Georgia are you from?
From Atlanta.
From Atlanta.
Now what is this?
Welcome to Columbus.
Huh?
YouTube.
Oh, okay. Hey, YouTube.
What's your name?
Misty.
I'm Drew and Misty.
Yep.
Did y'all go to a lot of these events?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yep.
Go be at PC? Bike tournament?
No, because they have the Thunder Beach has their own group that they contract to do.
Okay. So what's the next one you gonna be at?
Probably Sherman's wedding next week.
Okay.
That'll be my next one, but y'all aren't invited to that. I would have sent out invitations, but they might get a little irritated.
Appreciate it. What you got ready?
I got some ribs, I got butts,
You got sausage? Like
barbecue.
no
sausage. No sausage.
They be cute.
I'm gonna have to stop there by.
Yeah, come get you some.
I appreciate it, boss. Y'all have a good one.
All right, man. Thank you for coming by. Who am I stepping on?
You didn't like it? I didn't like it either.
Thank y'all very much.
You're welcome. Have a blessed day. Good, how are you?
You got free drink.
I do.
What's the kid?
It's
No kid?
free?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. What would you like?
Bottle of water, please. Thank you.
There.
Have a good one.
You too.
Yeah, so you got Pepsi out here, they giving away free drinks, all kinds, Sprite, Orange, Fanta, I seen a lot, but you definitely can't beat that, man. Not at all, you definitely need it, for sure.
Because he would have done it in New York minute. He would have gone back over.
What up, bro? Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good, how you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
So I'm Demi with Icon Biker Gear. We are an authorized dealer of micro lids. We have a lot of the micro lids that we've also designed. We call those IBG exclusives. We sell Damascus blades. We got the Secret Serape, which is in the house. Of course, we have jewelry, and we have boots and get back whips.
You got it all, yeah. For sure.
Absolutely. We like to say we got drip for sale.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
We take the time to make sure that we're always finding pieces that are real good, real good, and they really speak volume.
So what can I find?
Get around.
www.iconbikergear.com. I like to say, gear up, ride out with Icon Biker Gear. Thank you.
Wiggle your booty, jiggling out your jeans, baby. Pull your pants up. I like it when I see you do it. Better than I've ever seen it done before. Well, I don't wear it, drop it to the ground. But how low can you go? Lower than your mama's ever seen it in a lifetime. Never would have imagined it, not even in her right mind. Practice in front of that mirror, now you doing it on the dance floor. Mad cause I can't get with your chick, just show me how to dance. I may not wanna get low, so I'm posted up, but I like to play it too. But if you come to
I got something, man. Say the same thing. What's your name? Grace,
30 Gang, Atlanta. Check me out. 30gang.com. We do everything. Ladies, men's. I do kids if you want me to. But we out here in Columbus chopping it up. But check me out on the website. I appreciate all the love for sure. Absolutely.
30 Gang, man. If you ride 30, man, you got to have this 30, man. You got to go with it.
That's right. If you custom, you need it.
Got to. But you ride 32, right?
Yeah, 32, man. It's on me.
I got it 32. 30 Gang, man.
Got to play.
Yes, sir.
of a perfect frame. didn't know what to do, so she jumped in front of me. Little Sally Walker.
Cut my daddy head off.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me.
So hard. You got some bass. Got some bass.
One, two, three.
It's a monster, ain't it?
Got some bass, yeah.
There's your winner.
can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even
my name is Rashad Banks. I'm here at this motorcycle event. I'm just now discovering this motorcycle event. Actually, I thought it was the Latino festival at first, but y'all check out my Instagram at Rashad Banks, RASHADBANGZ. I repeat, RASHADBANGZ. Check out my Instagram. Man, I got a lot of songs. I got a project coming out. Y'all go check out my YouTube. It's back online. Rashad Banks. Everything is Rashad Banks.
You do R&B or rap?
I do trap music, R&B, and reggaeton.
Okay, that's what's up, man.
Yes. I do all that stuff. I also make hoodies. If y'all want to get a hoodie, charge $20 right now.
That's what's up, man. Appreciate it, man. Got you out there.
Yes. Thank you.